Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Paulo Levy right here. So guys, today we are here in Lincoln Park Zoo and we're gonna be exploring and see what kinds of animals they have in here. I already did a vlog here before guys, but it was like in December and it was like nighttime. They had like a lights festival and I'm gonna link the video over here, so I can just click on that one and see that before. Just watch that first and then just come back here. You know, you already know. And if you haven't subscribed, or I mean if you haven't followed me on Instagram, just I'm gonna put the link over here, right over here, somewhere over there, and you can check that one also. And yeah, I'll just see you guys on the inside. Bye. So guys, today is actually a great day to go here because the sun is actually not that hot and I think it's kind of cold and all that stuff. It's not really hot. Alright guys, there's a lion over there. There. Alright, sorry guys. He's not moving. He's probably this is probably the time that, you know, he's resting or whatever lions do. I don't know. So guys, today is actually a good day to go here at the zoo. There's actually not much people and it's not that hot. It's actually cold and I think it's probably gonna rain and there's like a lot of... Yeah. So there's like... Yeah, I think it's gonna rain later on, but today is actually a good day to just go out and, you know, just explore. Yeah.
Ayun natin yung sarap ng tulog.
Huh? Oh yeah, it's right there guys. It's a leopard. I can't.
Tingnan mo, picturean mo nga.
See, guys, I'm using a wide angle lens, which is kind of hard because I really can't zoom. And I have the 18, or I got the 28 to 135mm lens, but
Parang stop tuloy
but it's not a silent motor camera, or I mean a lens, so if I use that for vlogging, it's not gonna be good because you're gonna be hearing the motor when it's autofocusing, when it's focusing basically. Yeah. But you know. Look at that guys. That's cool. So guys, that's actually a snow leopard. Quick fact guys, so snow leopards' tails are beautiful, but they are also crucial to survival in cold mountains.
Here's snow leopard.
Say hi. He's shy. So yeah, it's a snow leopard. Leopard. Paano ba pronounce that?
Leopard.
Leopard. There you go. Thank you. So snow leopards' tails are beautiful, but they are also crucial to their survival in cold mountains. The tail can be wrapped around the body like a shawl or curled around the head like a scarf. And it's not just a living garment. Snow leopards' tails also help cats stay balanced when hunting. Interesting. I don't know if that's gonna do it. Okay, so you see the picture right there? Those black hairs, or I don't know what you call that, on top of their ears, is they actually serve a purpose. Basically, it helps them to know their surrounding more. Like an antenna, basically, if you're like an ant. Interesting. Cool facts. So one of the interesting and cool facts about this zoo is it's actually free, guys. So if you go here, you're just gonna pay for the parking, and there is no admission fee, or there's no entrance fee, you know. So cool. So we've been to 2 museums for free, and now 1 zoo for free. So it's all good, right? Alright guys, they have this cool fountain over here, so let's get to it. Let's do some B-rolls. Alright guys, I hope you like that quick b-roll of this fountain, or whatever you call this, but yeah, let's go. Alright guys, it's kind of cloudy, as you can see. It's kind of getting dark right now. Hopefully it's not gonna rain, and I mean, if it does rain, hopefully we're done here before it rains, you know, because it's gonna be a bummer. Look guys, it's Will. So guys, you know, drama, as Will has said in many of his vlogs, drama is always good for the vlog. He lost Karen again. I don't know where Karen is. Let's see if he's over here. Oh, there's actually a room here. Wait, let's call Gogo and Ate Goody. Okay. Oh, guys, look at this. It's a small animal house. So there we are. We found Gogo and Ate Goody right there. I think Karen is inside. So let's check it out. Alright guys, I don't know what you're thinking of it. Nope. Yes guys, we found Karen! There it is! She's right there. She was actually with the apes. I mean, with the gorillas. Sorry about the lighting guys, it's kind of dark in here. I don't know if that is really how they made it, but it's kind of dark. Alright guys, we're done with the monkeys. Now we're gonna go to the gorillas. Actually, we're gonna teleport to the gorillas, okay? Go. Alright, now we're here. Yep! And we are here at the gorilla station. Yeah, that's a gorilla, guys. Gorilla, chimpanzee, bonobo, orangutan, gibbon, gogo. Interesting. Okay guys, this is actually a big zoo. Kinda impressed. Yep. So we are done with the apes guys. Now moving forward we are gonna go, I don't know where we're going. But so yeah, after this we're actually gonna go to Pickwick. That's a movie house here in Prospect. Much like Filipino movies and all that stuff. So we're gonna go there later. Alright guys, we have some zebras right over there. Boom, there you go. Oh man, the smell. Say that again?
No.
Look at Karen with her selfie stick. Look at this. This is the whole map, guys. So we've only been here, guys, and there's still like a lot to go to with all of them. So I don't know if we have time, but we're gonna try and go as fast as we can. So let's go. So cool guys, we got some flamingos over there. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video or this vlog, and if you did guys, just give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please don't forget to subscribe, give this a thumbs up, like if you like it, also share it. And also guys, if you want more of this kind of vlogs or whatever, just comment down below. Alright, so with that said guys, I'm going to be ending the vlog. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. See ya.